Some of you are very misinformed about alkaline foods and herbs. There have been several people who have left comments stating that you're not supposed to boil sea moss. That may be the case for the fake sea moss that some of you are consuming, but not for real sea moss. Real sea moss, or any alkaline food and herb for that matter, does not lose its properties when it is boiled, even to the point of being burned. But if you are consuming fake sea moss and foods that are not made by God, then you will get more benefits from not cooking it because it has almost no nutrients to begin with because it is man-made.
Now, from what I understand, tell me if I'm wrong. Anytime you cook food, it loses its electricity.
That
makes it
the biggest lie that has ever been told. That has never been true. Raw food is better than cooked food. Food, you could never destroy food. You could take food raw, you could take food cooked, you could take food and grind it to carbon and drink it and it's still electrical. If it's food, you cannot destroy energy. Food is energy. Could you destroy energy? No. It changes state, but not destroy it. How could you destroy energy? But the stuff that they call food is garbage. They're eating starch, raw starch. I remember when I went to New York, there are many raw people in New York. They eat raw starch, but they're all anemic. I know them, even most of them are dead now, my age, that I remember that was on a raw food kick. John Harris was one and many others. They've been dead. Why? They were eating raw starch. You could eat food in any way, in any state. Food cannot be destroyed because food is what? It is energy, it's electrical. You cannot destroy electricity. I cooked the Maya. How many people have I cured of sickle cell anemia? How many people have I cured of AIDS? I cook everything I give them. But why is it so powerful that it still works? But we can't see these things. Because we think that food is carrots, beets, piece of meat. That's food. Eat that raw. Well, if we go there, all we have to think about is Charlie Mingus. That's all he ate, was raw meat and wine. Well, when he died, they said the poor brother could only laugh and cry, and he died very young. No, that's another misinformation. Remember, we have to set the record straight. You're talking to the brother, the only brother, that had to prove to the world scientifically that he cured AIDS is Dr. Sebi. And in doing so, he had to destroy all of the premise to establish the one that he represents, the African biomineral balance.